The best cryptocurrency investment methods. Cryptocurrency has revolutionized the financial landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities for investors to diversify their portfolios and potentially reap substantial rewards. With the right strategies, investors can navigate the volatile crypto market and maximize returns on their investments. In this article, we will delve into the most effective methods for profitable cryptocurrency investment, guiding you through the intricacies of this exciting asset class. Short-term vs. long-term investment. Short-term investors aim to profit from rapid price fluctuations, often engaging in day trading or swing trading. In contrast, long-term investors focus on the fundamentals of a project and hold their investments for months or years. Best cryptocurrency investment methods. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy helps mitigate the impact of market volatility and can result in lower average purchase prices over time. Trading. Trading cryptocurrencies involves buying and selling assets with the aim of profiting from price movements. Traders utilize technical analysis, chart patterns, and market indicators to identify profitable trading opportunities. Risk management in cryptocurrency investment. Diversification. Diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio across different assets helps spread risk and mitigate potential losses. Investing in a mix of established cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and tokens can provide exposure to various market segments. Setting stop-loss orders. Stop-loss orders allow investors to set predetermined price levels at which their assets will be automatically sold to limit losses. This risk management tool is essential for protecting capital in volatile market conditions. Research and due diligence. Thorough research is crucial before making any investment decisions in the cryptocurrency market. Evaluating the project's white paper, team, technology, and community support can help investors assess its long-term potential and credibility. Optimizing investment strategy. Market analysis. Regularly analyzing market trends, news events, and sentiment indicators can help investors make informed decisions and adapt their strategies to changing market conditions. Following industry trends. Staying updated on developments in the cryptocurrency industry, such as regulatory changes, technological advancements, and adoption trends, can provide valuable insights into future market dynamics. Setting realistic goals. Setting achievable investment goals based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives is essential for success in cryptocurrency investment. Avoiding greed and maintaining a disciplined approach can help you stay focused on your long-term strategy.